Today at CRKT, we are taking a look at the Viva keychain multi-tool designed by Leon Ma. Essentially, this is just a nice little tool to carry on your belt, hang your keys off of, that sort of thing. It's got a bottle opener right here. It's got a chisel slash screwdriver, flathead screwdriver slash pry bar right there. This is made of a stainless steel. You've got box wrenches right there, a 1/4-inch hex wrench, and a couple other sizes, as well as a lanyard loop right there. Nice thing is you can hang this off your pants if you would like. You can hook your keys to it, roll with it however you would like. Pretty cool little tool designed by Leon Ma. Let me show you a shot of it on my belt loop to give you an idea of how it rides. So pretty cool little tool. The weight on it is 1.1 ounces. Let me show you a size comparison next to a ruler in inches. There you go. Overall length on this is just under 4 inches at 3.9. So pretty cool little tool. Enjoy some brewskis with your broskis, and you've also got that pry and a couple other handy little tools on there. So there you have it. It's called the Viva, designed by Leon Ma. Thanks for watching, and thanks for carrying CRKT.
Hi there, my name is Michael Dixon. I'd like to introduce you to my first Kickstarter.com project, a keychain-sized titanium bottle opener with an integrated pocket clip, so you can hang it inside your pockets, rather than an awkward clump at the bottom. I like to call it the pickpocket. Minimal in size and weight, the pickpocket adds very little bulk to your keychain, and in fact makes your keys even more convenient to carry. It's a very effective bottle opener and easily slips onto a belt loop. The pickpocket's design is a culmination of a series of design iterations and mock-ups. I wanted to be sure that not only was the bottle opener geometry as compact as possible, but was the optimal design for opening bottles. The production run of pickpockets will be machine cut from solid titanium, given a durable stonewash finish. Stronger than steel and 40% lighter, I expect the pickpockets to outlast anything else on your keychain. In addition to the standard stonewash titanium, as Kickstarter rewards, I'm going to be offering a few limited release models in premium finishes and materials, such as this anodized freckle pattern finish that I will individually hand apply, this intricately forged and folded Damascus steel whose patterns are reminiscent of wood grain or flowing of water, or its colorful counterpart, mokutai, which is in fact forged, folded, and anodized titanium. It's a very complex and expensive material, but the effect is simply breathtaking. I want to thank you for your support, helping me make this product concept a reality.
Night-Eyes products stand for innovation, creativity, and quality. Discover your solution.
Visit nighteyes.com.